Hi everyone, this is Gliza made with Glee. In today's video, I'm participating in the Trash to Create Treasure collaboration hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine and Katie from Handymom. They wanted us to use trash to create a piece of treasure. Now these are thread spools that I've been saving over the past year and a half. I sew a lot, mainly a lot of white thread, and I had a lot of these spools, and I should have tossed them, but I kept them. I wanted to do something with them, and I finally decided this was the opportunity. So I separated my thread spools into like 3 different projects, and for this project I'm only using 4. I picked out 4 of the same, actually I picked out 5, but I only ended up using 4 of the same type thread spools. And here I'm just using acrylic craft paint to paint them black. Now of course I could have spray painted them, but I just used what I had on hand. Now I have this empty cardboard box that came with my cry cut. I think it had a blade and a CD or something inside, I'm not sure. But it was, I think, a perfect size. I liked the sturdiness of it, so I kept it. And here I'm just again taking acrylic craft paint and painting the entire thing black. All the portions that you're going to be able to see, I painted it completely black. And then once that is dry to my liking, of course, if I needed a couple touch-up spots, I did that. But once it was dry, I opened the box, and inside had this plastic insert. And I thought it would be good to stay in there. It would, help keep the box sturdy. So I stuffed some plastic bags, empty plastic bags inside, and just gluing that insert down on the inside of the box. And once I did that, I then also hot glued the box closed. Now I didn't want to use tape on this one. I didn't have any matching black duct tape or anything like that, so I used hot glue to seal all of the openings of the box. And once that was done, it was time to assemble my shelf. Yep, I'm making a shelf. Actually, it's like a riser, a shelf / riser for decorating, in different spots. And now I'm taking some of this bling ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm wrapping them around my thread spools with a little bit of hot glue to secure them. Now, I initially thought it would matter if I painted the top, the bottoms. No, it doesn't matter. It didn't matter where you put them, and at first I only put the bling on one side of my little thread spools, but I ended up putting bling on both the top and the bottom because I just like the way that looked. And then I, of course, glued some of this bling stuff all the way around the box. Just one narrow, one width of the strip with hot glue all the way around the box to create my shelf. And then, of course, hot glue again to attach my spools to the bottom of the box. And pretty much that is all there is to it. So this shelf riser was made, again, cardboard box, my thread spools, which I again had to do a little bit of touch-up painting here and there. And you could, of course, spray this entire thing with sealer or use spray paint. I just happened to, I was in the craft room and I decided to do the things I needed to do in the craft room. And I added some more bling to the top of it to just to, give it a little bit more of that bling look. I wanted more glitter and glam. So here it is as a shelf riser, just to show you how it looks. I can put things on top. That Santa Claus is ceramic. He's fairly heavy. The Most Crafty sign came from Joann's, and that's made out of wood, and also, it has a little bit of weight to it. So as you can see, very sturdy. I can put several different things on here without a problem. So I hope you guys like my Trash to Treasure project. These things certainly could have been in the trash, but I am glad I saved them and made this really cute, glam little shelf riser for myself. Thank you to Casey Coffee with My Sunshine and Katie Handymom for the fun collaboration. I will link both of our Hostesses channels in the description box below, as well as a playlist so you can see all the other Trash to Treasure creations that our YouTube creators came up with. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and thank you all so much for watching, for liking, and for hitting that subscribe button. See you in another video soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye!